Good evening, everyone. Welcome. In the evening, yes. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper on Monday, April the 24th, 2023. I've told you earlier that we have no extra puzzles, no additional in this daily newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition, Saturday, April the 22nd, 2023. We have here two puzzles left. The 3-star Sudoku, well, it's actually a 1-star, and we have one binary left, 10 by 10, and in the additional of the Saturday edition, we have three puzzles: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the Texonic with 1 star. Alright, let me start with the 1-star puzzle. The 1-star puzzle, it's indicated with 3 stars. Well, it has 27 printed digits, so do not know if this is really a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, the 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be a number. Let me see which number it will be. This will be number 6327. 6327. Alright. 6327. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27. Told you earlier. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. Look, we have 4 and 7 in this column. No 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes here. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. Is here 1 in this row? No 1 there. 1 should be here. Alright. Okay. 5, 5. Okay. And now. Let me see. 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers in this column is number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this column could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 4 in this row, so no 4 there. Here, 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8. 268, 268, 268. And look, we have 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So the 6 and 8 are left. Let me mark those 6 and 8. So let me see, 6, 6. Okay. I need a 9 here. Need an 8. Need a 5 here. Need a 2 here. Come on. 2, 2, 2, 8, 8, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8, 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in this row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 goes there. 8 in the third row. 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left with 8 should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Not true. Well, yeah, I need to wait. Yeah. 1, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 and a 9. 6. We need a 5 here. Alright. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 7 here. Alright, 6, 6, 6, 6. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. 1, yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, and look, we have 1 and 6 in this row. So no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 3. Alright. 3, 3. Okay. 7, 7, 7, 7. 1, 1, 4, 4, 2. Well, we have here 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 3, 9, and 6. 3, 9, and 6. 8, 9, and 6. 7. We have a pair, the 7 and the 5 in this row, the 7 and the 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. So 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. The 2 in the third column, the 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this first row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. The 2 in the last column, the 2 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's used. I can see. This is number 1, number 2. Alright. 4, 4. Okay. 1 and 6. Okay, 1 and 6. Then. 3, 3. 5, 8. We have 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. Is here an 8 in this row? No 8 there. 8 should be there. 6 and 8. We have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 and then 9. Okay, 1 and 9. 3 and the 7. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 and the 6. So, 7. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 6, 1, 9. Yeah, 6, 1, 9, 6, 1, 9. Come on. 1 and 9. 6. We have a 2. Do we have all the 8s? Yeah. Let me count, and all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 8. Alright, 9, 9. 9, 1. 6 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 in this column. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those. Here also 1 and the 9 are left. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 7 and 5, we already have a 5 here in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7. 1 box left in this last column for number 1. 7 and a 3, okay, so we need a 7 here. Yeah. 3, 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers in the first row is number 7. Here can be a 7 because we have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. Here can be a 7 because we have a 7 in the third column. So no 7 there. And here we have a 7 in the first column. So here can be a 7. So 1 box left for the 7 in the first row should be there. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, yeah. We have here 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. And look, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here, 3 in the third column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 6 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those, 6 and 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3, 7, okay. Then 5 and 6. Alright, in this column we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is 6 in the second column. Here can be a 6 because we have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. Here can be a 6 because we have a 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. And here can be a 6 because we have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 in the second column should be there. Yeah. One of the missing number in this second column is the number 9. We need a 9 in the second column. Alright. Here can be 9 because we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. Here can be a 9 because here can be 9 because we have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in the second column should be there. 1 box left in this in this row should be the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. So we have 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left now in this second column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 and the 7, we have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 6 and the 9, we have a 9 in the first column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final number in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Finished in 60 minutes. Well, not faster than 50 minutes. Maybe I talk too much. Yeah, I talk too much in the beginning, so not pleased with the time, but I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle in this puzzle page. A tectonic, no, a binary 10 by 10. Yes. Until then, bye bye for now.